Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Samantha. Today we're gonna be making birria tacos. We're doing beef and chicken. Don't judge my portion because my kids barely eat, so I gotta cook for what I'm gonna eat. I got some sea salt, Tajin, garlic powder, olive oil, Worcestershire sauce, onion powder, lemon pepper for the chicken, nature seasoning, black pepper, garlic, tortillas, red onions, white onions, lime, cilantro, mozzarella, and some chilies. You see the name? I don't know how to pronounce it. But let's go ahead and cut all the nasty stuff off the chicken and season my meat. Now I am about to pan sear it. And I also went ahead and cut open the chilies and took the seeds out. So I'm going to get ready to boil those. Put some onions in a pot. All right, I'll be right back. And searing my meat with the onions and garlic. And I'm letting my beef simmer a little bit. I went ahead and started boiling my chicken. And I got my pot ready to add my chilies and onions. Make sure you cut your red onions in 4/4. You don't have to cut them in 4/4 if you don't want, but that's the easiest because I'm thinking you're doing this boiling anyway. So add that to the pot, and then add your chilies, and you let it boil until the skin on the chilies is tender. My chicken is low. It's breaking up easily. So since I let this get all the way down, I don't have nothing to really drain. I can take the onions out. I probably will take the onions out. And this is ready to be blended. So let's move this to the blender so we can blend this baby up. Chop up my chicken. Here it is. I had to add some more water to the pot for the beef because it boiled down, but it wasn't as tender as I wanted. So voila, that's boiling again. So what we're gonna do now with this is pour some in the pot and let this chicken cook in it for a little bit. And I like to add a little bit of seasoning because you do need a little bit of seasoning with this stuff. It is time to drain the beef and discard of the onions and garlic that's in there. Check out the chicken. It is looking good, simmering in that good old sauce. Okay, y'all, I went ahead and drained it. Make sure you save the juice that is in the pot, because you're going to add it back to your pot once you chop up your meat. And I set some of the sauce on a plate because I'm going to need that later. The beef is done. This is how it looks. This is how the chicken looks. I'm about to get ready to make the tacos. So we got the plate ready. Got my lime and onions. Add that to it. My tortillas and my mozzarella. Jace, get down. And then I went ahead and the leftover consumed. I went ahead and made my dipping sauce. I added some lime, onions, and cilantro to it. I buttered my pan. Then I get a tortilla, dip it in the sauce. So I told y'all to make sure you save some, set some to the side. Just like that. Cook a little bit on that one side. my mozzarella to one side. Then I'll grab some chicken and put it on the other side. I'm going to get this one off. Take this, flip it over, and let it cook on both sides maybe like a minute. And then I'm in a little greedy, but this is the finishing touch. Whatever. Just dip it in your sauce and enjoy, baby. Look at that. You guys enjoy cooking with me today. This is my finishing touch. They are all done. Now it is time to enjoy.